good afternoon, Daydreamers. Back at Universal Studios Hollywood today. Gonna be another chill day. I know it's gonna be hot, so definitely gonna try to keep cool. But honestly, as usual, just take it slow, see what happens. And that's pretty much it. But as always, we take you along inside with me, and we'll see you later. Bye. Okay, so at the Hollywood and Dines, because during Lunar New Year, they had it set up for that time with specific foods. But I guess they still have them. Because I looked online yesterday, and even right now today, I just saw that they still have like the ramen and like the mango tiger boba like food. So I don't know if it's gonna be around the whole time or it's just like for a little bit, but oh well. Look at Scooby, and he got a big old pizza. And then King Julian's out too.
Nice! DJ! Me! Top! Perfect! Give me 2! Give me 3! John! Hey! I asked for one thing, and that was to make them follow you, and not a single person did this! Make them follow you. Much better. How about you got a seaplane?
They do have this one.
Max, where is it? Incoming from the south! Incoming!
Reaching the wall!
do they should. Dry land. Here's my destiny.
Hey, Deacon!
Heard what? I'll get you. I'll get you! Marina!
Okay, you get the gate.
You mean the Shrek and Donkey show?
You're both wrong. It's the Mighty Madagascar show.
Oh, come on. I know you all are here to see me, right?
If you folks came to see anybody, you came to see me.
But I'm the cutest. I'm the sweetest.
I hate to break it to you, but we're doing a Kung Fu Panda show. Say what? Says everybody here, right? Especially these guys in front and maybe that family over there. They're obviously Kung Fu fans. Look! Helmet Master Thundering Rhino. Oh, I see your Thundering Rhino and raise you one talking donkey. Wait, look at this. The Sword of Heroes.
Oh, aren't we hoity-toity fancy-pancy?
And the coolest thing of all, the Ming Hammer. That's so powerful, he knocked you into the spirit realm.
Check, please. I can't compete with that.
Hold it! Oh, you just received a message from the Emperor! Ooh! My clever son has been asked to make a special delivery for the Emperor! How do you know that? Simple, I read his mail. Is that a delivery? Oh, that looks important. It's more than important. This is the liquid of ultimate power. Well, if the Emperor needs that delivery, then we'll make sure he gets it. Right, guys?
Absolutely. But we may not all survive. Okay, good luck with that.
Poppy reporting for duty.
She said duty! Sorry, guys. I think we may need some warriors that are a little, bigger.
Aww. Wait, I know something fun. Let's have a tea party.
That's the boat! How about if you guys come as backup?
You're serious?
This is gonna be great! Meet you inside. I must have that liquid! Oh, with the Ming Hammer, the liquid of ultimate power will be mine.
So, I need you guys to sing and get pumped up for this tour. Help me out here. Let's do it, guys. You can dance, woo! You can dance, having the time of your lives. Woo! There you go. I see you guys singing. I see some of you pretending you don't know it, but it's in your hearts. That's where this song belongs. Now, the reason why I had you sing is because we just passed Soundstage 12. That's home of The Voice, NBC's hit singing competition, starring Blake Shelton. On the left-hand side, you're gonna see a mobile lab unit, kind of like a big RV. This was used in the Lost World Jurassic Park. starring Jeff Goldblum and Julianne Moore. But what's even more exciting is we keep the dinosaurs here too. I know, it sounds dangerous. Don't worry. They're all locked up in cages, so it's literally impossible for them to escape and attack the tram. And it looks like they have escaped and are attacking the tram, folks. Right there. Whoops. Everyone. Can you turn on the rain next? Yeah, just the rain. Appreciate it. This is how we make rain in the movies, folks. We actually use an advanced piece of technology. We call them sprinklers. And the sprinklers shoot out water. And okay, you get that point. Julian, what are you doing? Julian, don't do it, man. Why are you smiling? Get your finger off the button. No! Julian wants to show you some extreme weather. Keep your eyes on the road over there. And if you're sitting in a blue seat, you might get wet. Sorry about that. You've seen it in music videos starring Lady Gaga and movies like The Big Fat Liar starring Paul Giamatti, Frankie Muniz, and Amanda Bynes. It's the attention to detail that I really love. Wait, this might be Trevor, this might be the big one, everyone. Please sit down and hang on. Oh, mama! They caught the shark. How great is that? And yes, look, to your right, there's the shark they caught. There's my friend's boat. There's Officer John. No, that is not George. George, that's another shark, folks. Do you see that? George. Officer, oh my gosh, George, get out of the water. There is another shark in the water. Get, no. George, no. George, oh no. Oh, buddy, you were so brave being out there. You sure had a lot of guts. Christ. I am so sorry, George. I have to take care of my tram. Julian, let's pull over next to this pier full of gasoline barrels where it's nice and safe. And you know what? We're going to try to catch a shark. How does that sound to you? Right, there's a yellow barrel in the water full of shark bait. And yes, look, it's getting pulled by the shark. Ah, he's like, wait, here is strong. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Not the gasoline, it's so expensive right now. Does anyone have eyes on the shark? Yes, through the flames, you can see the shark fin protruding.
Right here. Okay. Stand back, here he comes.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to play that trick on you. I know the shark looks pretty fake. Desperation? Oh my gosh, that's what it is. And it's because we're on Wisteria Lane from Desperate Housewives, folks.
If there is one thing everyone in suburbia can appreciate, it's a good neighborhood.
Desperate Housewives, it's known as Wisteria Lane, but this street is actually called Colonial Street, and a lot of other television shows have filmed here. Shows like Never Have I Ever on Netflix, created by Mindy Kaling, films right here in this neighborhood, as well as movies like The Burbs, starring Tom Hanks, Casper, starring Christina Ricci, and many, many more, all filmed on Colonial Street. On your on your right hand side, you're going to see this lilac purple house. That is the house from the Munsters. And as you might have noticed in the clips that I'm showing you, these are all outdoor scenes. They only really truly use this neighborhood for outdoor scenes. There are a few houses that you can film indoors. Black Dodge Charger from the Fast and Furious movies. Now you might be wondering, Angelo, there's a bunch of cool race cars, but where are all the race car drivers? Well, Perkins and Tippy Hedren, and oh my gosh, do you guys see that? That is Norman Bates from the movie. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Hey Norman, I'm sorry folks. I think Norman is just a little shy, maybe. I don't know. Oh, okay. No, not shy, psycho. Like I said, okay, we're gonna get out of here. Julian, if we can pump the... Okay, no. Hey, Norman, we didn't see anything. Norman, don't do this. Norman, please, I'm so sorry. You know what? Take car 4. You can have anyone in car 4, let the rest of us go, okay? I do not care about them. Just kidding, car 4, we made it. Woo! Oh, that was a close one. Sorry about that, car 4. Let's just keep driving on this psychopath. It's gonna take us to the psycho house. Oh my gosh, Norman Bates tried to kill us. We got away, baby.
Alright, so it's the end of our day here at Universal. Like I said, it was pretty chill. It was hot. There was a breeze though, but it was really crowded. It hasn't been this crowded in such a long time, so it's just weird to get back into like that theme park crowd. I know it's like spring break and stuff, and I know the summer's gonna probably be as bad, but that's okay. Like, we still enjoyed our time. Nothing really special or crazy happened. Our tram guide at the studio tour was actually really funny. Simpsons is closed right now for refurbishment, and news for Super Mario Land, or Nintendo World, opens next year. Just not too sure when. I'm assuming summer 2023, but we'll see what happens. I'll keep you up to date as much as I can. But as always, I'm just glad to bring you along in this adventure, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!